I'm going to show you how to make an origami heart like this out of a post-it note. So I've got a set of post-it notes here. I've decorated one so you can see what I'm doing a bit more easily. So the first thing we do is fold it corner to corner like this so that you get a triangle. Then open it out again, turn round and do the same in the other direction. So corner to corner to make a triangle. Then open it up, and then I want you to take this top corner, fold it down right to the middle where the two lines cross for the fold. Press it down so you've got a nice neat fold. Then take the bottom corner down here and fold it up so that it hits the middle of the edge of that top triangle, so just here. Make that nicer fold. So now you've got this flappy thing here. I want you to take this side of the flap, and you can see the fold that's right down the middle of this triangle. Where that middle centre of that fold is, fold it up. So you've got one half of your heart already. And then do the same on the other side. That gives you two halves of your heart, but this is too pointy a heart, so next we have to make it a bit smoother. So we turn it over and fold in that top, and then do the same on this side. You've almost got your heart, so I'll show you what it looks like on the other side. And do the same on these two pointy bits here, so fold it in a little bit and fold it in a little bit, and there you have an origami heart.